With increasing advances in medical science and innovation, complex medicines are set to become even more important in improving people's health worldwide. To keep pace with this shift, Sanofi is committed to ensuring our industrial capabilities are as innovative as the drugs in our pipeline. To enable this transformation, a €4.7 billion investment programme has been underway over the last 5 years. The factory of the future will be digitally enabled. In the evolution of our plants, we will see the adoption of new connected and intelligent equipment, more sophisticated process technology, and solutions to augment operators with additional capabilities. It will allow us to deploy advanced data analysis solutions to further improve the quality, yields, and reliability of our facilities and optimize our inventories and logistic flow. This plant will produce monoclonal antibodies in single-use fermenters. All production and setup steps data will be documented in real time, resulting in a paperless manufacturing solution with electronic batch records, review and write-time release, and real-time process control. Leveraging 3D models from engineering and real-time data during the production process, it will be possible to optimize operations by using a digital twin, mirroring the real plant and enabling simulations of changes. Digital twin technology will also be used to train and prepare operators before the plant has been built. The first stage of the production starts with the upstream process, fermentation and cell amplification. For this, we use single-use bioreactors with disposable bags instead of a culture vessel made from stainless steel. Single-use bioreactors will change the way we operate and organize our facilities with a higher level of flexibility. All bioreactors are equipped with inline sensors to allow multiple measurements of various data and parameters. It creates a fingerprint of the process. Therefore, all procedural irregularities are spotted immediately and rectified to avoid any impact on the product's quality. Once the cells have been produced, the next step is to purify the drug. Again, all the necessary pieces of equipment will be closely monitored by a series of sensors that share information. A standard batch would thus create more than 3 billion data points from over 5,000 parameters for every single batch produced. That's a lot of data. It will all be transported by a reliable and high-speed network and a sophisticated storage and analytics infrastructure. Once the data has been analyzed, employees will be able to access its findings via a number of interactive screens located throughout the plant. Continual monitoring of data allows for a better understanding of the complexities of the production process. The ambition for Sanofi is to create a fully fledged and disruptive biotechnology sector, answering the demand for customized and high-quality products. A patient-oriented, flexible, digital and sustainable ecosystem. This is Sanofi's vision for its factory of the future.